Okay, so now you see it less than it was before. So we brought down a lot of the stain. We took it out from basic areas that light would touch. There's still a lot of debris, but I think it's important to go ahead and seal it. The first time you seal it, the grain will rise. Much of it will still need to be sanded yet again. So for the most part, it's time to seal it. There's a lot of fluff that occurs with sanding basswood. It never truly, gets completely flat and clean. A lot of it has to be picked off and cut away. But for the most part, I'll need to seal it first. Once it's sealed, the grain will rise, and I will sand it all over again and cut out most of this debris that you can see in here and other places. Also this area here, I'll want to get it really clean because this is like an etched pattern, as you can see. So I'll seal it, and then tomorrow we'll do it again and show you what happened.